So again, I want to say that YouTube has been a partner with us when we did ask them that they allow Kenyans to register from Kenya and to monetize. It was a difficult decision, but again, let me say thank you very much because they have come through for us. That is why we have Njugush around. That's why we have Butita around, our great artists who today are monetizing their content. Pongezi sana, gentlemen. Tuwapige makofi. Those two young men you see there, they are making more money than my salary. Those guys. Musiwaone hivi ati wamevaa sijui t-shirt namna gani. Those guys are serious entrepreneurs. Wapige makofi tena. Congratulations for trailblazing. Congratulations for being the example to many of our young people and knowing that the creative space is available for jobs for our young people. Makofi tena kwao. Asante sana. Let me also say that as we do this, we are opening new opportunities. Remember what I said, that we invest 650 billion Kenya shillings every year in our education. We must think through it. It's not enough to spend that money educating our children. It is also important for us to know what is this end product going to do.